everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I want to share with you my Van Cleef & Arpels single pendant vintage Alhambra necklace in the green stone, the malachite. Please do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Before further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So today I'm sharing with you my Van Cleef & Arpels, the middle size malachite necklace. It's like this. It's very pretty. Let me put it very close and you can see it's green, very elegant, classic piece, and you will see the grains and textures of the stone. Very pretty. So I love these pieces. First, don't get me wrong, but I do have some tips that I give you 5 reasons to not purchase the malachite stone. Number 1, it cannot touch the water. So malachite stone, it's very delicate. A lot of chemicals and waters, hand lotions, body lotions, alcohols, perfumes, that you cannot touch it. Otherwise, it will turn white. So number 2, it can only be cleaned with the softer cloth, like their own cloth, like this. You can clean with those things. One time I went into the boutique and I asked the sales associate if I can get cleaned in the boutique, if they have any other ways to clean it. They were telling me, since it cannot touch the water, this is the only pieces that the boutique does not clean. You have to go back home and use your soft clothes to clean it, like this. You have to clean it like this. Number 3, unfortunately, if the temperature changes a lot outside, you cannot wear it because it will impact the stone and it will turn white very easily. Like if this weather in where you live in the mornings and night is very cold, during the day it's very hot, then they do not recommend you to wear it on that day. They want the temperature to be consistent where you wear it. And number 4, if where you live is too humidity, they do not recommend you to wear it. Otherwise the stone will be damaged as well. And number 5, most importantly, even though it looks very pretty, but this color just does not go with everything. It only goes with my black outfits, sometimes white outfits, and every time when I'm thinking of wearing it, I always have to think a way to match it with my clothes and also the bag that I'm carrying the day. But maybe it's a different story for you. I do recommend the style and design of these collections, but you might want to think about these 5 reasons before you purchase malachite. Go with the solid gold ones, the yellow, no matter it's yellow gold, rose gold, or white gold. First choice is always the gold. It's very easy to take care of. You don't have to worry about anything. The second choice is, I think, you can choose the black one, or the red ones is easier to take care of. I have this red one, the Canadian one. I never take it off, just to be with my lovers. I take it to showers and do anything, and it does not have any wear. It still look very pretty. So I would highly recommend the gold one and also the red one. And I heard the black one is easy too, and also the mother of pearl is even though they told you not take it to the shower, but I have friends that they use it every day and do not take off and they still look fine. So I'm pretty sure that's gonna be fine as well. Alright, that's all about it. If you like this video, please do not forget click on the like button below and also subscribe to my channel. I will be uploading videos twice a week. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.